Recently, I developed a tool called Scraper. It's a web RPA plus some web scraper functions. RPA is robotic process automation. In this video, in this series of videos, I'm going to talk about 6 topics. The first one is why you need to watch this video. The second one, I'm going to brief you the user-friendly architecture of this tool. It may sound like it's irrelevant to you, but actually not. It's relevant to you as a user. You can see it later on. The third one, I'm going to brief you these tools, the entire architecture. In software design, a architecture means some kind of a model, like the data models, the process models. In this case, I'm going to put some emphasis on the process model. It's really not good enough to merely look at the functions. There are a bunch of qualities get beyond functions. The fourth one, I'm going to show you one of my client's goal, what his project looks like. Okay. The fifth one, I'm going to brief you the key technical points involved in this tool, so that you may think of what kind of technical points are involved in your project. The sixth one is to watch the video, recorded video of this tool's working, the whole process, how it's work. Okay, let's jump into the first topic. Why you need to watch this video? Here I'm gonna teach you a little bit about technical stuff, so that you can have the potentials to become an advanced user of this kind of tool, whoever can develop or design this kind of tool. It's the same. Okay, let's begin. Here, this website is the website one of my clients wants to scrap text and images out of this site. Here on the top, we can see a few menus. If I right-click on this catalog, then I can click on the inspection. Now, on the bottom, a window shows up. Let me zoom in. Here we can see div, h1, nav, a. These kind of stuff are called tags. And the stuff like class ID and here src style class, these kind of stuff are called attributes. These two concepts is very, very important in something called DOM, document object model. Let me zoom out. On this page, all the visible elements are underpinned by the DOM model. For any kind of web RPA, web scraper, at the very heart, at the very core, the basis is to locate the elements, to underpin, to identify the elements on which we're going to do something like click, drag, so I identify these elements we're going to take actions on is the precondition. Actually, nowadays a lot of, including this one, websites are very, very dynamic. So design or develop a web RPA, web scraper is a kind of a war against the dynamics. So keep these two concepts the tags and the attributes in your mind. The DOM model. The DOM model actually is a hierarchical structure, looks like a tree. You can see here, right? You keep this kind of model in your mind, then you really got. Let me zoom out. You really got the potentials to become a advanced user of this kind of tool. Well, whoever develop or design this kind of tool doesn't matter. The same thing. Okay, for technical stuff, just a little bit. Stop here. Let's get back to this slide. The second thing is, if you watch this video, it's gonna benefit you by seeing my real case, so that you can see what I have done and the potential I could have. Okay, this is the first topic.